All right, getting back to our next weather alert day with meteorologist Andrew Kozak. All eyes to the sky today. Make sure you have a way to get any kind of weather alert.
You know, when we set up this next weather alert thing and we all discussed it, we said, you know, we don't want to use it too often because it's one of those things where you want to make sure that when it is, it's warranted. But this season, I feel like so far we've used it quite a bit. And today it's going to be more of a rain and wind event. Tornado threat is very low, but it doesn't mean it's completely zero. But I do, again, think today is going to be a big day when it comes to rain and when it comes to wind. But the rain is going to be the top headline. As we walk over to the wall, there are some rain showers, not in our area, but northwest of the Poconos. In the meantime, we basically have clouds and fog out there this morning. This will continue for the next few hours before we start to fill things in with the rain and a cold front that will be giving us that chance for not only heavy rain, but the possibility of flooding as well. There's the flood watch now, goes all the way from the Canadian border back down toward Virginia and even as far south as North Carolina and South Carolina. So we're really looking at right now a huge opportunity this afternoon to get in on some, in several cases, several inches of rain. Along with that, severe weather also a possibility. In the yellow here, this is going to be for areas west of Philadelphia. We have a slight risk, that's 2 out of 5 on the ladder. A marginal risk in green, 1 out of 5. This just means that we will have the potential for wind, for rain, and maybe some small hail. Again, isolated tornado not out of the question, but it is very limited. Water vapor imagery. When we look for this, we look for the blues and the whites, and you can see there's plenty of that out to our west. That means the atmosphere has so much moisture to work with, and we're going to continue to watch that move a little closer to us as we head into the next few hours. It is still a very humid and muggy start to the morning. 74 in Philly, 74 Allentown, 73 Atlantic City, 72 in Millville. Good morning, Lancaster, about 73 for you. All right, let's get right into the futurecast. Once we get to about 9 o'clock, we are going to see a couple of breaks here and there, and then a couple of sprinkles filling in by about 11 o'clock. Again, you are fine from the heavy rain through about midday. You are going to have a couple of showers around, scattered by the lunchtime hour. Then we get into 2 o'clock, and we're going to start to see some showers and storms form ahead of the main line. The problem today is going to be training, and what I mean by that is we're going to be looking at thunderstorms forming and staying over the same areas for hours at a time. And if you get into some of that really heavy rain over a small area, well, that leads to flooding. Here's 4 o'clock. Main line now starting to move up. Again, we have the appetizer, as I like to call it, ahead of it. But by about 4 o'clock, we're going to see the main line of storms move in from the west. There's 5 o'clock. Already starting to see them moving to western areas of the Philadelphia metro. By 6 o'clock from the Poconos down toward Allentown, Wilmington, and further south. Here is the heaviest rain, the storms moving through by about 5 to 7 in Philly, and then it starts to move to the north and to the east of us. Now, Jersey Shore, you'll get in on the rain tonight, but it will not be nearly as heavy or steady or flooding as the rest of us. And then we get into your Monday, and while we may have a couple of showers in the morning, most of Monday will give us a chance to clear things out and potentially dry things up. But here is the problem for today. Get out now if you need to do anything. Get the morning dog walk done probably before 9 o'clock, because once we get to lunchtime and then once we get into the afternoon and evening, there is a very high chance that all of your plans are going to be affected. In fact, today, make sure you get everything done early and stay inside the rest of the day. This is more of an inside day. And not just for Philadelphia. 83, storms at the shore. Again, that'll be closer toward the late afternoon and early evening. Lehigh Valley tracking some showers and storms as well. How much rain do we get? These are just estimates, but before all is said and done tonight, a good 1 to 3, even up to 4 inches of rain. I do think just north and east of Philadelphia, including the Trenton area, could be looking at the heaviest amounts, but it's fair game for everybody today to get in on some potential flooding. 83 degrees, heavy and severe storms. Tonight, 69, cloudy and humid. Rain starts to retreat, and then by tomorrow, 81. Not as humid, still an isolated storm, but Monday is so much quieter than today. Here's your 7-day forecast. Next weather alert day for your Sunday. Then on Monday, 81, 90 on Tuesday, 93 Wednesday. It'll be hot and dry. We might just kind of deserve that, though, by the middle of the week. And then guess what? More unsettled weather for Thursday, Friday, and potentially on Saturday. But Jen, next weekend doesn't look nearly as wet as this one.
Okay, we need a little break. Thanks, Andrew. Appreciate that.